Dubai Police provides 3D printed face shields to frontline personnel.
Press the subscribe button and bell icon.
Dubai. As a part of complete precautionary measures in opposition to COVID-19, Dubai Police has offered 3D printed face shields to its frontline personnel. Over 1,000 face shields have been offered to its officers on the forefront of combating the pandemic. The face shields, manufactured utilizing 3D printing expertise, are designed to present the best stage of safety for groups engaged on the front lines. A number of the key staff benefiting from the face shields, worn over face masks, present an added layer of safety, since they cowl the eyes. The lightweight and simple to use shields could be hooked up behind the ears. The highest head mount of the Defend is reusable and could be sanitized, whereas its entrance clear visor is replaceable. Dubai Police stated it locations the best precedence on the security of the groups engaged on the front lines, to present very important safety in emergency companies. The 3D printed face shields aim to ensure the safety of our police officers who are working on the front lines. Unlike the regular face masks which provide limited protection by merely covering the nose and mouth, these face shields protect other exposed areas by covering the entire face, a Dubai Police official stated. Dubai Police stated the face shields meet the worldwide requirements required to guarantee the utmost potential safety for employees, and could be simply produced when wanted. By utilizing 3D printing expertise, Dubai Police can speed up the manufacturing course of when required, the official added. How useful are these 3D printed face shields at the moment are being more and more utilized by healthcare staff and COVID-19 frontline employees, particularly police and ambulance personnel, to meet the larger want for The face shields can defend staff uncovered to excessive dangers of an infection from respiratory droplets from COVID-19 sufferers. Stories have proven that the virus could be transmitted when contaminated droplets enter the physique via the eyes, nostril or mouth. When worn over the face masks, the face shields present a double layer of safety for staff who are currently available in shut contact with contaminated sufferers.